We will now discuss how to use the FlashForge 3D printing software. 3D print designs are stored in STL files. When you go to open your STL file, the software will often ask you if you would like to place your model on the platform or if you want to repair your model. You should always agree to both of these prompts. On the left side of your screen, you will see some basic function buttons. Here we will discuss some of those buttons. The first button that's important is the Move button. When you click the Move icon, and sometimes you will have to click it twice, it will allow you to move your design in all 3 dimensions. Normally, by default, the program will put your design in the middle of the platform, so you really shouldn't have to move it. If you do move it, be sure to click on Platform at the end so that you can make sure your design starts printing on the platform. Otherwise, it will not print correctly. You will sometimes be required to rotate your design. The Rotate button has preset 90-degree buttons for each of your 3 axes. You may have to use these in order to maximize the surface area your design has with the print bed. The more surface area of your design that is touching the print bed, the more likely you are to successfully print your model. The scale icon allows you to either scale up or scale down your design. The easiest way to do this is by changing the percentages on the right-hand side. If you change a percentage in one of the 3 axes, it will change all of the percentages on all 3 axes, so you don't have to do it manually. This can increase or decrease the overall size of your design, but keep in mind, it will also change how long it takes to print it. The last button in the column is the Extruder button. By clicking on the Extruder button with your object highlighted, you'll be offered 2 options, either the right extruder or the left extruder. In reality, the only difference between these 2 options is the color filament that it will use for the printing process. If you have a specific color you would like your object to be, make sure you choose the correct extruder that corresponds to that color.